Standard 4th, Subject English, Lesson Garden of Words. Last time we tried to form words from the given letters. We have made words containing 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 or 5 letters. आठवतंय ना? Today we are going to revise the words. आज आपण शब्दांचा सराव करणार आहोत. Today we are going to read a lesson, Garden of Words. Garden of Words? What do we have to do in this lesson? Everyone is having a textbook and there is a chart of words in it. Now I will read one word. Listen it carefully and then tick off that word in your chart. Okay, teacher, we are ready. So, children, let's start. Come, came, put, want, do, said, off, to, now, wanted, only, I, take, the, looked, time, smiled, quickly, liked, some, cry, not, could, would, hand. Very good, students. Did you notice that in some words there is a difference between its spelling and pronunciation? For example, would. Here, L is a silent letter. Could. Here also, L is a silent letter. We do not say could or would. That is not correct. To is pronounced as to, and to is pronounced as two. Meaning of both the words is different. Therefore, your pronunciation should be proper. That is, I go to the market. It is too cold.